standard form, it is also called standard index form. Standard index form or scientific notation. Okay, there are two other names for standard form. So how do you express a number in standard form? For example, if you have a number like 100, okay, 100 can be written as 1 times 10 to the power 2, right? Do you agree?
Yes.
Similarly, if it's 200, how will you write? 200 will be 2
Uh,
times
2 times 10 power of 2.
10 to the power 2. Yes. Then how will you write, let's say 350? See, there are a number of ways to write 350. Okay. Or let's say 3500. That's easier. If it's 3500, you can write this as 35 into 10 to the power 2. Right.
Yes.
You can also write this as 350 into 10 to the power
3.
3.
1.
10 to the power 1. You can also write this as 3.5 times 10 to the power 3.5 times 10 to the power 3, right?
Yes.
You can also write this as 0.35 times 10 to the power 4. So out of these, only this is standard form. Okay. So what is the definition of standard form? You write a number, for a number to be in standard form, it must take the form a times 10 to the power n, where the index n is a positive or negative integer, and a must lie in the range 1 less than or equal to a less than 10. So a should be between 1 and 10. Okay.
Okay.
So here it is not between 1 and 10, right? 35 is not between 1 and 10. That is why this is not in standard form. Okay.
Okay.
Similarly for this one. Similarly for this one. Okay. So for standard form, this number should be between 1 and 10. Okay. It can be equal to 1, but it should be less than 10. Okay.
Okay.
So this is called standard form. Now let's look at some examples. Okay, so which of the following are not in standard form? F is not in standard form. Are you sure? See,
Uh,
for it to be in standard form, it should be a into 10 to the power n. So all of this is a into 10 to the power of n only. But a should be between 1 and 10. That is the condition. Okay. A should be between 1 and 10. So this is fine, right?
yes. Oh, so D.
This is fine. This is fine. D is not fine because it's less than 1, right?
Yes.
How about E?
E is fine. No, it's not.
E is not in standard form. How about F?
F is.
F is in standard form. Okay. Now, write the following numbers in standard form. Okay, 600,000. Will you write this in standard form?
6 times
6 times
10 power of 5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, 10 to the power 5. Correct. Then, how about this one? 48. How do you read this number?
Million.
48 million.
48 times 10 over 6.
Is that in standard form?
No. So 4.8 times 10 over 7.
Very
10.
good. 10 to the power 7. Yes. So you get the idea, right?
Yes.
How about this 8.5 million?
Uh,
8.5 million is 8.5 times
times 10 power of 6.
10 to the power 6. Very good. How about this? This number, this huge number, 784 billion, right?
Yes.
So how do you write this?
7.84 8 4 times 10 power of 10.
How many zeros?
9. 9 0.
9 zeros.
11.
10 to the power 11, right?
Yes.
Yes, that's the right answer. Okay. Then, write the following in standard form. 68 into 10 to the power 5.
6.8 times 10 power of 6.
6.8 times 10 to the power 6. Okay. 720 times 10 to the power 6.
7.2 times 10 power of 9.
Is it 9?
8.
Ah. Then, C.
It's in standard form.
It's in standard form. Nothing to do with that. Okay. Then, 0.75 times 10 to the power 8.
7.5 times 10 power of 7.
7.5 10 to the power 7, right?
Yes.
Ah, very good. Then, this one, E.
4 times 10 power of 9.
Very good. Then, F.
5. 5. 0.5. No,
0.5.
no. 5 times 10 power of 7.
Good. Okay. Which, okay, write the following as ordinary numbers.
Rewrite the value.
Yes, yes.
3 8 0 0.
3800. Yes. Then,
4 2 5 0 0 0.
like this.
Yes.
Sure.
1.
Only 3 zeros.
Oh, one more. 0.
See, 4.25. If it's 425, you have used up 2 tens, right?
Yes.
There are 4 more tens. So, 4 more zeros. Understood, right?
Yes.
Then, 9.003 into 10 to the power 7.
9 0 0 3 0 0 0 0.
Sure.
Yes.
Ah, good. Then, 1.01 into 10 to the power 5.
1 0 0 1 0 0 0.
Okay, good. Then, multiply the following and write your answers in standard form.
6 million 6
In standard
0
form. Standard form.
uh,
Will you write the answer in standard form?
6 times 10 power of 5.
Okay, good. Then, this one. 6,000 times 4,000.
2.4 7 times 10 over 7. 10 power of 7.
2.4, 7. Yes. Then, 7 million times 20.
1.4 times 10 power of 11.
40 million. 10 to the power 11.
Yes.
Sure.
A million has 9 zeros.
1 million is 1 followed by 6 zeros. That's 1 million.
So 1.4
Hmm.
1.4 times 10 power of 9.
9. Tell me the step before this.
7 million times 20
Huh. Then
gives you 140.
7 into 20 is how much? 7 into 20. 7 into 20, not 7 into 2.
140.
140. So it's 140 million, right?
Yes.
140 million is 140 into 10 raised to 6. Because 1 million is 10 raised to 6, right?
Yes.
So that's 1.4 into
1.4 into 10 power of 8.
Then 506 million.
3 times 10 power of 9.
Very good. So 500 into 6 million will be 3000 million, right?
Yes.
3000 million means 3 into 10 raised to 3 into 10 raised to 6, right?
Yes.
That's 3 into 10 raised to 9. Okay, good. How about this 3 million times 4 million?
Uh, 12, 1.2 into times 10 power of 7.
7. 7. How is it 7? See, whenever you find a million, billion and all, just write the power of 10 for that. So 3 million means 3 times. 3 million is 3 times
10
100.
power of 6.
And then 4 million is 4 times.
4 times power of 6.
So what will be your answer?
12.10 power of
12 times 10 to the power
12.
12. But this is not in standard form, right?
Yes, so 1.2 times 10 power of 13.
Good. So that's your answer. 4500 into 4000. You can do this, right?
Yes.
Yeah, just do 45 times 4. So that will be how much? 180, right?
Yes.
So 180 times how many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this multiplication is actually, or this product is actually 180 times 10 to the power
Power.
5, right? Because
Yes.
there are 5 zeros. So this is 1.8 times
Power of 8. 7. Power of 7.
7, right?
Yes.
Okay, fine. Okay, try this. Wait. First tell me your steps.
3 times 10 power of 8 over 8.
Over 8. Like this.
Oh no, times 8.
Times 8.
Yes. With no 8.
Times 8.
Yes.
Sure.
Yes. Distance.
Okay. So time is 8 minutes, right?
Yes.
Time is 8 minutes. 8 minutes. And speed is 3 into 10 raised to 8. What is the unit of speed here?
Meters per second.
Meters per second. So distance is speed into time, right?
Yes. So 3 times 10 power of 8 times 480.
8 into time. So time should be expressed in
Seconds.
seconds. So 8 times 60, right?
Yes.
So 480. Yes, you are right. So this will be how much?
1.44 times 10 power of 11.
1.44
Times 10 power of 11.
let's see, 3 into 8 is 24, 24 into 60, 1440. So it's 1440 into 10 raised to 8. So 1.44 into 10 raised to 11. Ah, very good. Yes, that's the right answer. But what's the unit?
Meters per second. Meters.
Meters. Good. So we have calculated it to 3 significant figures, right? 1.44 is 3 significant figures. Okay, then find the value of the following and write your answers in standard form. Ah, this is interesting. Okay, this is not that interesting. Actually, the next problem is more interesting. Let's try the first one. See, when you multiply, you don't really need to convert them into numbers first. You can just keep the 10 to the power terms just like that and multiply only the other terms, right? So just multiply 4.4 times 2. You don't have to do like 4400 times 2000. You don't need to do that because anyway you have to write in standard form, right? Finally.
Yes.
So this is not a good idea.
88.8
8.8 times
10 power of 8.
Good. Then B
20.4.
20.4
So it should be 2.04.
2.04
10 times power of 11.
and to the power 11, right?
Yes.
Let's do E and F.
Uh,
E 5 into 6.
5.1.
Yeah, let's just write 51 times
51
the other
times
one
10.
first. Yeah, 10 to the power
21.
6 plus 15, 10 to the power 21. So that's 5.1 times.
22.
Very good. Okay. F
25 times 10 power of 24.
very good.
So 2.5 times 10 power of 25.
Excellent. Then find the value of the following and write your answers in standard form. Okay. Let's try A. So it's it's slightly easier if you write this as a fraction. So how will you do this?
2 times 10 power of 2.
2. Very good. Okay. Then how about B?
3 times 10 power of 5. 10 power of
5. Okay. Similarly, you can do all the others, right? Okay. Let's do D. Let's do D.
5. 0.8. I mean 0.2.
0.2
Times 5. 10 power of 5.
to the power 5. Is that your answer?
No. So 2. 2 times 10 power of 4.
Very good. 2 times 10 to the power 4. Okay. How about this? Find the value following and write your answers in standard form. Okay. This is the interesting one. How will you do this? See, there are two ways to do this. One is converting both these numbers into the ordinary form and then adding and then converting back to standard form. Right. So you would do 38, then 0, 0, 0, 0 plus, how much will that be? 46, 46, 0, 0, 0, right?
Yes.
Then you will add it, so you will get 6, you will get like this, and then you can write 4.26 into 4.26 into 10 to the power
5.
5. Yes. So that's one way of doing this. You can also do this like, see, okay, we're doing a, okay, so 10 to the power 5. So you can write the first term as 38 times 10 to the power 10 to the power 3.8 times 10 raised to 5 is 38 times 10 to the power
38 times 10 to the power 4.
10 to the power 4 plus 4.6 times 10 to the power 4. Now you have a common factor of 10 to the power 4, right?
Yes.
So you can say 10 to the power 4 into 38 plus 4.6, right?
Yes.
So that's 10 to the power 4 times 38 plus 4.6 is how much?
Is it 3.4? 3.8.
No. Instead of 3.8, we converted this into 38 times 10 to the power 4.
So for 4.6.
4.6, you don't have to do anything. Just keep it as 4.6 because our intention is to take this 10 to the power 4 out as a common factor.
Uh,
Okay. So that it's easier to add. Okay.
okay.
I mean, if you're doing this on a calculator, it's all the same. You don't actually have to do like this. But if you're doing this without a calculator, this method is easier, right? So 38 plus 4.6 is how much?
42.6.
42.6. So what's the standard form?
10. Is it
4.26 times
10 power of 5?
10 to the power 5. Okay. Fine. Then can you do C? You can do whichever way is easier for you. Okay. You don't have to necessarily do it like this. C. So tell me your steps.
630.
630.
So times 10 power of 5
Okay.
plus 8.8 times 10 power of 5.
Okay.
Then 10 power of 5 bracket
Ah.
times 630 times 8.8.
Plus 8.8, right? Not times.
Uh, uh, so okay, so then 5.5 times 638.8.
Ah.
So 6.388 times 10 power of 7.
Good. Okay, this is how you do it. Show us now. Okay, let's do E now. How do you do E? 5.3 into 10 raised to 8 minus 8 into 10 raised to 7.
53 times 10 power of 8 minus 8.0 times 10,
53 times?
10 power of 7
Ah.
minus
Minus.
8.0 times 10 power of 7.
Ah.
Equals to then 10 power of 7 bracket 53 minus 8 Then 10 power of 7 times 45.
45. Okay.
So then 4.5 times 10 power of 8.
Oh, very good.